If you're ready to clear your yard with ease, you're in the right place. In today's video, we've picked the top 5 best battery-powered leaf blower options to help you tackle leaves and debris without the hassle of cords. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Geveelife 650 CFM. The Geveelife 650 CFM cordless leaf blower is an excellent tool for homeowners seeking strong, efficient outdoor cleaning power without sacrificing comfort or convenience. Featuring advanced turbo technology and an axial fan design, it generates an impressive air volume of up to 650 CFM when used with a tapered nozzle, effortlessly clearing away large piles of leaves, yard debris, and even light snow. This makes it an ideal choice for maintaining both large and small outdoor spaces. The performance is further enhanced by the inclusion of 2 high-capacity 20V 5.0H batteries, offering an impressive runtime of up to 150 minutes on low-speed mode. Quick charging capability ensures minimal downtime, although it's important to note that the batteries aren't compatible with DeWalt tools. Weighing just 4.4 pounds, the Geveelife 650 CFM is designed with ease of use in mind. It features a non-slip ergonomic handle for a comfortable grip and a convenient shoulder strap to minimize hand and wrist strain during extended operation. The blower's detachable design makes it simple to store or carry to various outdoor jobs, adding to its overall practicality. A standout feature is the adjustable 3-speed control, allowing users to tailor the airspeed for different applications, from sweeping leaves off the lawn to clearing dust from a garage floor. The cordless, unrestricted mobility is a significant advantage for anyone working in large or awkwardly shaped areas. Number 2. Wolfman Leaf Blower. The Wolfman leaf blower is a capable, no-fuss cordless option for anyone seeking effective and hassle-free outdoor cleaning. Designed to eliminate the bulk and limitations of traditional corded blowers, this model delivers dependable air power in a lightweight, user-friendly package. Equipped with an advanced axial flow turbofan, it produces up to 450 CFM and 150 mph wind speeds, making it more than adequate for quickly moving leaves, grass clippings, and other lightweight debris. This versatile blower is suitable for various environments, including residential yards, parks, sidewalks, and driveways. Powering the Wolfman blower are 2 20-volt 2.0H batteries that work alternately, with each providing up to 30 minutes of runtime on low-speed mode. While the battery life is shorter than some premium models, the dual battery setup ensures you can quickly swap out a drained battery and continue working without long interruptions. The blower's simple 2-speed control allows for easy adjustment based on the task at hand, whether you're tidying up around flower beds or clearing off the driveway after a storm. Weighing just 3.8 pounds, the Wolfman blower stands out for its portability and ease of handling. Its ergonomic anti-slip handle ensures a secure and comfortable grip, reducing fatigue even during extended use. Number 3. EcoPower 530 CFM. The EcoPower 530 CFM cordless leaf blower is a top-tier choice for homeowners and yard enthusiasts seeking dependable, high-performance cleanup power without the noise, emissions, or hassle of gas blowers. Known for its robust build and efficient motor, this blower offers up to 530 CFM of air volume and speeds reaching 110 mph when turbo mode is activated, making it particularly effective for clearing wet leaves, caked-on grass clippings, and stubborn yard debris. It handles heavy-duty cleanups with ease and efficiency, making outdoor maintenance a far less daunting task. One of the EcoPower blower's standout features is its impressive runtime. Thanks to the included 2.5 Ah arc lithium battery, it delivers up to 75 minutes of operation on a single charge, a runtime that outperforms many competitors in its class. The battery is also compatible with all Ego 56V arc lithium tools, making it a convenient option for those already invested in the Ego platform. The variable speed dial lets you fine-tune airflow from 260 to 400 CFM, providing versatility for a range of cleanup tasks, from delicate patio work to aggressive leaf blowing on larger lawns. Another highlight is its high-efficiency brushless motor, which not only extends motor life but also ensures low vibration and quieter operation. This makes it more comfortable to use for extended periods and less disruptive in residential neighborhoods. Its ergonomic design and well-balanced structure further enhance user comfort, reducing fatigue during longer sessions. Number 4. Vinchest 560 CFM. The Vinchest 560 CFM cordless leaf blower strikes an appealing balance between powerful performance and user-friendly operation, making it an excellent choice for homeowners tackling a variety of yard cleanup tasks. Powered by a high-performance motor, it produces an impressive air volume of up to 560 CFM and air speeds of 180 mph, allowing it to effortlessly move leaves, twigs, grass clippings, and even light snow from driveways and patios. Its cordless design enhances mobility and convenience, removing the hassle of cords or gas-powered maintenance. What sets the Vinchest blower apart is its superior dual battery system. Equipped with two 4.0 Ah high-capacity lithium batteries, it provides an impressive runtime of up to 52 minutes on low speed and 38 minutes on high, outperforming many competitors. The batteries recharge fully in just 2.5 hours, minimizing downtime and letting you complete cleanup projects without constant interruptions. The blower features a simple 2-speed electronic control that makes it easy to adjust the airflow to suit the specific task, whether you need high power for heavy debris or a gentler setting for delicate areas. Weighing only 5.5 pounds, the Vinchest 560 CFM blower is ergonomically designed with a non-slip, soft-grip handle that ensures a secure and comfortable hold. Its well-balanced structure and stable base help reduce user fatigue even during extended cleaning sessions. Number 5. Latelli 20V Leaf Blower. The Latelli 20V leaf blower is a compact, efficient, and affordable solution for everyday outdoor cleaning jobs. Designed to handle both dry and wet leaves, grass clippings, and dust, this cordless blower boasts a maximum airspeed of 85 mph and airflow of 355 CFM, making it suitable for light to moderate yard work. It's also versatile enough to be used for other tasks such as drying your car or clearing dust and debris from patios and garages. Powered by a high-performance motor, the Latelli blower offers a quieter operation and lower maintenance compared to traditional gas models. Its innovative turbocharger technology ensures optimal airflow while conserving battery life, providing a dependable and energy-efficient performance. This leaf blower features two adjustable speed settings, allowing users to switch between 67 mph and 85 mph to suit the task at hand, from light sweeping to more focused high-speed cleanups. At just 4.4 pounds, the Latelli blower is exceptionally lightweight and easy to handle, with an ergonomic design that includes a supportive, well-balanced handle for one-handed operation.